In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a ChatGPT LinkedIn extension to create personalized outreach messages. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along in real time. The goal here is to use AI to speed up your LinkedIn messaging while still making sure your final message feels human, relevant, and professional. Start by opening LinkedIn in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to access the profile or conversation where you want to create a message. It helps to have a clear purpose in mind before you begin, whether that's networking, introducing yourself, or following up with someone. Next, install the ChatGPT LinkedIn extension shown in the video or open it if you already have it installed. Once it's active, check that it's running properly in your browser. Extensions like this are designed to work directly alongside LinkedIn. So you'll usually see the tool appear while you're browsing profiles or writing messages. Now open a LinkedIn profile or a message box. This gives the tool the context it needs to help you write something more personalized. If you're on a profile, the extension may use details like the person's role, company, experience, or shared interests to guide the message. If you're in a message box, it can help you draft a reply or first outreach note based on the conversation. If permission is allowed, let the tool read the profile context. This step is important because the better the context, the more relevant the message will be. Just make sure you understand what information the tool is accessing and that you're comfortable with it. Once that's done, ask it to create a personalized message or template. Be clear about what kind of message you want. For example, you might want a short introduction, a professional connection request, or a more detailed follow-up. The more specific your request is, the better the result usually becomes. When the AI-generated text appears, take a moment to review it carefully. Don't assume the first draft is perfect. Look for anything that sounds too generic, too formal, or not quite accurate based on the profile or conversation you're responding to. Then edit the message so it sounds natural and accurate. This is where you make it your own. Adjust the tone, remove anything that feels robotic, and make sure the wording matches your intent. Even a strong AI draft should still reflect your voice. Finally, send the message only after checking the wording one last time. A quick final review can help you avoid awkward phrasing and make sure your message is polished, personal, and appropriate before it goes out.